Okay, hi, welcome to my channel. How to get 7 million free tokens per day? That's the exact thing. Okay, you need to search the Nara router and get to the first website. Then you need to tap on claim. Log in with your Google account. You can't log in with an email. It's 7 million out of 7 million that are left. I haven't yet used anything. And for the models, here they have the paid models, pay as you go, and base. They have total 24 models. Okay, but before that you will need to verify yourself from Telegram account. You need to link your Telegram account, and then they will request you to join their channel. You need to refresh the status. Once it shows that you have joined 1 out of 1, you can move further. Then they will allow you to access the website. I have just used it once, so see 99.7% left and 100% success rate and 1.6 seconds of latency. So this is the API endpoint. Okay, this is the API endpoint, and at this place this will be empty. The API key will be empty. You will need to make an API key. I'm showing you the process. You will have this option to make an API key over here, but I have already made it. Because I have already made it, that's why it's vanished from here. Click here. So see the create API key. Okay, give any name like ABC and get an expiry date. Okay, I'm giving the expiry date of today itself. No, tomorrow. Create key. I will copy the key. Cross. Overview again. These are the models which these are the free models which we can use currently. And this 7 million token, I'm sorry. Okay, so we will copy this. Just now we need to download open code. So go to the open code website. This is the open code website, and then go to the download option. Like, let me show you once. This is the open code website, and this is the download option. When you go over here, you can find this option number 2 for the desktop. Here we have the Windows option. Press the download button here. You will have this. You will have this installer exe file. Then when you will open it, you will have the application downloaded in your here. Like you will have your application downloaded. Then you will need to add a folder here. So go to the desktop, tap on make a new folder. Select that folder. So everything that you will do there, this is the fresh interface of this. Okay, so everything that you will do will be contained in that particular folder. Okay, so let me tell you how to configure the key over here. Go to the settings. Now go to the providers. Disconnect. Custom provider. Take a connect here. You need to give the provider ID. What is the provider ID? Go back to the this. Copy the name of the provider. Go back to the open code. Then paste it. We can't give caps here. Then remove R. Remove N. Okay, display name. Paste. Same. Base URL. This is the place where we will be putting our endpoint of our API. Go back to the website. Here. Copy it. Go back to the application, paste it. Okay, now paste the API. This is the API and paste it. Now the model name. Again, let me show. This is the model name. You can change your model name and you can copy. But I will be going for this one itself and copy. Paste it. Display name will be the similar. Submit. Okay, here Nara router is available now. So let's say hi. Okay, just a second. I haven't. Okay, I have used it. Nara router. Which model are we using? Okay, now we got it from our router. Now let's build something. Build me a simple landing page for a e-book. Okay, now we need to tell this fictional, non-fictional, academic, other. Fictional. Submit. Okay, general landing page. Okay, generating a general create landing page structure. But for the meanwhile, we can see the token usage. Okay, now it was 99.8, now it's 99.7. And if I refresh, 99.5. Okay, it's reducing. And its latency is 9 seconds. Okay. Okay, we got the source code here as well as the style as CSS. Okay, this is the front end of the website that the open code made with just one text. It's pretty generic, it's pretty good. We could have given him the picture image to add here, and there are so much possibilities that we can do with it.
And getting a 7 million tokens, that's actually very generous.
You'll watch my previous videos on how to get GPT 5.5 and Opus 4.8 for completely free, or JNM models, and how to make VO3 videos without getting the pro subscription of 20,000 per month, and how to get a free domain.